Hi everyone! Another day, another sabak ulit for my Saturday class. Malapit na palang matapos ang first semester. Hindi ko namamalayan na papasok na ang second sem. Sana tulungan ako ni Lord na magkaroon ng maayos na desisyon sa landas na ito. Mga 5 a.m. in the morning, umalis na ako sa boarding house. This is the second time na maaga ako ng kaunti. Sumakay lang ako ng scooter papuntang terminal. Hindi muna kami dumiretso sa room dahil nag-picture-picture muna kami ni Sir Chad.
Mana masiro, ay okay na. Ay masiro. Ako mon. Unina. Hello everyone, so we're here at UEP and we're heading to our first period class. And good luck to me dahil we are the last reporter to discuss the last topic. I feel nervous at the same time. I'm happy because
This is our first period class. Continuation pa rin ng mga reports and reporter ako that day. This will be our second period. And checking that day ng mga research paper. Thankfully, na okay na yung proposed study ko. Last period na namin to and may midterm exam kami. As always, gabi na palaging nakakauwi. Thank you for watching everyone. See you on my next video. Bye!